Hi, Chef J here.
Today I'll be preparing Kitsune Udon soup, a simple yet satisfying Japanese noodle soup that has a taste you will love. You will need 2 packs of udon noodles, 1/2 of scallion, 1 piece of aburage. For the aburage, 1/2 cup of water, 1/2 tablespoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. For the noodle soup, 3 1/4 cups of water, 1 teaspoon of kombu dashi powder, 2 tablespoons of mirin, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Step 1. Finely chop the scallion. Step 2. Remove the excess oil from the aburage with a paper towel and cut it into quarters. Step 3. In a saucepan, bring the soy sauce, mirin, and sugar to a boil. Add the aburage and simmer over low heat for 5 minutes or until it absorbs the flavors. Step 4. In a large pot, add water, dashi powder, mirin, soy sauce, and salt and boil over medium heat. Step 5. While making the soup, add the udon noodles to a separate pot of boiling water and cook them for about 2 minutes. Drain using a strainer and quickly rinse under cold water to remove the extra starch. Serve the drained noodle in a bowl. Pour the soup and place the aburage and scallions on top. You can top it with shichimi tougarashi, a Japanese spice, for an extra kick. I hope you enjoyed this straightforward yet delicious Kitsune Udon soup. Also, sign up for my weekly newsletter and receive a free vegetarian recipe ebook. Go to chefjcooks.com/en/newsletter.
Thanks for watching, and please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.